Everybody, and welcome back to the Santa Fe's Paradigm Division. I'm working on another 3D printing project, and I'll show it to you here in a couple of minutes. But one of the things that happens when you move, and we moved to where we live now about I don't know, 19 years ago, and I had bought a Walthers Glacier Gravel kit. Well, in the move, and I guess all the boxes that all this N-Scale equipment was in from my previous lab, I lost some of the parts to the Glacier Gravel company. So, and primarily they're the conveyors that take the gravel from the ground where they're mining it or whatever, digging it up to the plant so it can be distributed to the hoppers or gondolas that come in. So without further ado, I'm going to show that to you. Okay, here you see this is the Glacier Gravel kit minus the conveyors that come from the pit or wherever, which still has to be done. I'm still working on it, and I'll show you what I've been working on. I will post some pictures of the design, and then I'll show you the completed items, just kind of loosely put here, because I got to finish all of this scenery in this area before I finish this scene. But anyway, let me move the things that I call the conveyors into position. Okay, this just shows these are the primary, if you want to say, structures, and I still need to do some supports, but I needed to get everything in place, and then I can see what needs to be done. But this part here, which is where they would dump, came from a design I found on Thingiverse. So I cut it off. Originally I had it separate, and then I had this particular outside thing with that looks like teeth. It was my design that I used for there's a coaling tower in the Union Station engine facility, and I used that design there. I also took there's a belt that's painted black in here, and you'll see in the photos that, and let me stand up here on my stool. Pardon. Okay, there's the conveyor down in there, and it has got a little bit of a, if you want to say it, it's got a middle that's lower to make it look like it's a conveyor. And then here's the other one. So, and I do have some roofs that will go on these, and they'll be corrugated metal, and they'll just fit right on top of these once I'm satisfied with supports, and they have to be dirtied up and stuff. But this is just to get an idea how, if the length is correct, etc. This is about the third iteration of this. So, and I probably got to tweak it a little bit. I may have to trim some of these teeth up here a bit. But all in all, I think this might work. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show everybody what I've been working on in between doctor's visits. So, but anyway, and then I got some equipment that'll be over here working. a couple of, I guess, front loaders, a couple of bulldozers, and a grader over there. And I do have a bunch of gravel I can put in there, and I got to smooth this mountain down in here, and I got to do some more work in the back. But I wanted to kind of get this area starting to look like it's supposed to. But anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.